gotta love this place, baby. My Macau, baby. Check out this space, maybe. My Macau, baby. Damn, baby. My Macau, baby. Whoa, maybe. Checking it out, baby. Gotta get out and go, baby. Whoa, baby. My Minda, maybe. My Macau, baby. Damn, baby. My Macau, baby. Whoa, maybe.
Okay, so we're in this little Beco. I'm gonna just give a little preview of what we're gonna do. We're gonna check out this pink building right here. And I'm also gonna check out this here. We're gonna go around to the other side as well. And we're gonna look at this in detail, this pink one, because it's brand new. I'll explain all that in a minute as well. And we're also kind of in this alley, parking garage right there. And then we're gonna walk down around the corner and just kind of show you a little slice of Macau right here on Beco do Gonçalo. Oh, okay, we got a good one in Macau because there's something that's changed from the last time we were here. This one is called Beco do Gonçalo, and there's this really beautiful building that's new, brand new. So I'm basically commemorating it quite a bit, and you can already see it in the previews. You're probably wondering where it is. It's up on the map. You can see the map as well. And I also created a song for it, so that's there too, and that'll be coming down the screen as well. And I think that's all I'm gonna say. Gonçalo was most likely a Portuguese, and so it's basically an alley. A little Beco is like alley, so it was probably named after a specific person. I couldn't find much about that particular person, by the way, but it doesn't matter, because all you're gonna do anyways is just go view it as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Beco do Gonçalo, Macau. Okay, let's check this out. So I think the first thing we're gonna do is go up our alley a little bit, and we're gonna check out two things. One is this family guest house. I love how that's like on the hill like that. And then we're also gonna check out this one. This is brand new. I kind of hope that they keep doing stuff like this, that they keep building things like this and doing these kind of pastel colors. This was just kind of drab like that one right there. Like not drab, but yeah, you can see all of them are kind of like colorless, right? But then this one they actually painted. Looks beautiful. There's even little balconies, a couple balconies up on top, and these nice big windows. It's totally different than these, which are like, yeah, well, you can see the difference. We're gonna go up this way. I'm just gonna stand up in this little platform right here, bikes and things. Yeah, you can see the difference, right? So this is one style, and I think this is quite prominent. And then this is a style that's kind of captures the old Macau style. And I hope that they do more of those where it becomes more of a new style. That'd be so beautiful if more of the city was like this than like this. But okay, so we're on Beco do Gonçalo right there. Even has this nice beautiful balcony too, right? So let's just show you what the street looks like. I do like there's these little balconies too, right? These are really beautiful. And then that balcony is amazing though. Like this balcony and this, like that balcony already looks nice. Like if you're there, it's just, it doesn't really matter, but this one looks beautiful on the outside as well. Nice little corner. These little balconies are really beautiful. I can totally see myself in one of these, right? Huh. Looks like this one they kind of started to tear it out and do something a little bit different with it. It's interesting when you look above and see all the different stuff going on. So this is a pension house. We're gonna look around to the other side in a moment. But before we do, I'll just kind of give you an idea of this part of the... Here's another. This building too looks kind of Shar and Shar. I think that's new. I'm just gonna walk down into the parking garage slightly, and I'm gonna point the camera down because this is also part of our Beco too. And I want to capture the Becos. And I'm just gonna just walk down it slightly. So now we get into Beco do Senado, because Senado Square is right down there. So yeah, this little space right in there, that's all Senado Square. And then this is the Loyal Senate, Senado Leal. This is a little shortcut past through this parking garage, so people can pass through without having to go down and around. And then you have this beautiful green pastel building as well. It's really nice. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our target street, Gonçalo. You can actually go up into this parking garage and get some really nice views up there, as you can imagine. Okay, so we're back to our Gonçalo, Beco do Gonçalo. Beautiful painted building there. Beautiful familia there. Beautiful pink building there. Beautiful balconies. Aching for paint on them. And we got Beco do Gonçalo, the sign. And then the people that are driving up here, they're coming up into the parking garage. This shop used to have wine. Used to be a little couch right there with a wine, and then it moved into a table, and now it's skincare. Another nice balcony up there too. The Larry's place, they have some really good restaurant food right in here. But he's closed today. And then there's also, used to be a pasta place right there, now it's a property agent. So this is a little bit of what our street looks like. So basically it's this one right here, and then it goes up like that way, and it also goes in that way. So let's come out to the front of it, and then we're gonna walk to the right, and then we're gonna go up towards the pension house. And then we're gonna go back down the hill again as well, so we'll go this way first. And then this one, I think this street is called Central Street, right here. And then this is the front of the guest house. So we were in the alley part in the back. They're doing a ton of construction right here. This used to be City Hall. Some beautiful architecture up above. So we're gonna head back down, and then I'm going to end this video. But now you can see Gonçalo. And we're gonna walk down that way as well. And then this street straight ahead is goes to Senado Square. And there's actually a Jollibee's up there as well in the Circle Square place. Let's walk all the way down. And I think I'm actually going to cross the street slightly. I'll tell you why in a moment, but then this one goes into the main street right here. And then Senado Square is straight down that way. You can see Hotel Central, you can see the post office right here. Leal Senate is that way as well. There's a Pizza Hut. And then ours was down that little corner down that way. And then now we're just in this black and white tile street that goes all the way down to some of the casinos. Wynn Casino is straight ahead. and Lisboa. Okay, so a little slice of Macau for you. Hope you like this little Gonçalo street.